Hi, everybody. I just thought that some people might need some tips on how to get started with certain things on Teams. So I decided to make a little video for you. Um, so if you're on Teams, one thing that I really liked was that you can drag and drop so that everything is in order because I like things all nice and in order. And I was trying to figure out how to do office hours. Um, so what I did is I created a team. That's my office hours. So a way to do that is you create a team, create a team, and then choose whichever one, um, that one, and then like your name, office hours, and then Duncan Polytechnical, blah blah, office hours, and then keep it private. Then once you create your little team, you click on the ellipses right here, and you can get a link to the team. So you copy this and then paste it in your classes. So you just go like to Women's Alliance. I just pasted it right here. The students, when they log on, they will see this and they'll click on it, and then it'll prompt them to request to join the class. When they request, if you go to your activity, it'll tell you when students have requested. So like I have 2 students who are ready to be accepted into my office hours. And so I can just accept all. Super easy. When it's time for me to have office hours or tutorials or anything like that, I just go to my office hours page and then start a meeting. Then all my students can just hop on, ask their question, get tutorials, whatever they need that way. I just felt like that might be the most user-friendly way, at least for me. So if you like that, go for it. If you don't, that's okay too. Another thing that has helped me is figuring out the calendar, and big shout out to Chris Navarro for helping me figure out this calendar. I wanted it to be really easy for students to just hop onto class. So I set it up so all they have to do is go to their calendar and click join, just like when we had the meetings last week, the same thing. And I will start the meeting each time. Now, the way I did it, instead of going through and doing each one for every day all through August, which would have been really time consuming, I just go new meeting, biology, period 1, starting on Wednesday, and that's from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then right here it says does not repeat. So click that, go all the way down to custom. And I felt really silly. I was clicking here and clicking backspace and it wouldn't let me. You have to highlight it and then press 2. So since we're only seeing our students every other day, like so I'm only going to see period 1 every other day, I did repeats for every 2 days, and it doesn't include the weekends. So it's just every other work day. So it ends up calendaring perfectly, and then do as far out as you want. I just did until August so I can see if I need to, work out any hiccups. Then you'll press save. And then to add the class, you do add channel, click it, and then period 1, and then general. So all of my period 1 students will get a calendar invite saying that on August 19th at 9 a.m. they have a meeting with me, which is just class. So you can put that in there if you need to, but it should be pretty user friendly. I already did it, so I'm not going to save that. Other than that, I hope that helps. That's just some scheduling stuff that I know I really wanted to get under control before school started. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or text me or whatever. Hope it helps.